drumroll, bing, we're live. It is the it's called the BetaSaaSers meeting, the AutoGraders clients meeting. Who knows what it is? We're here at Sam and Timothy and Rose. We do have an agenda-like document that is available on screen one over here. These were items that Richard added last week when I was away and just totally overwhelmed. And so Richard is telling us he's created primitive AutoGraders for the Rails intro. Actually, maybe Timothy, I believe you're one of Richard's TAs. Can you tell us anything more about the primitive AutoGraders that have been created?
Yeah, I'm sitting in for Richard. Rails intro AutoGrader and our Chapter 4 AutoGrader. Unfortunately, I don't know a whole lot about those. That was our other TA, Luke, is more in charge of those than I am.
Oh, okay. Oh, well, not to worry. Not to worry at all. Have you got anything that you wanted to add to the agenda from Richard or from UNCC at all?
I'm sorry?
Did you have anything you wanted to add to the agenda? Were there any concerns that Richard passed on to you, or any points you wanted to bring up for the meeting?
No.
Okay, no problem. Your audio seems to be cutting in and out slightly, Tim. Yeah. Anyway, but yeah, I hope you're getting a relatively clear audio stream from our side. Rose, did you have any particular issues you wanted to add to the agenda?
Actually, I was trying to add a line, and I kept on getting this message saying that the Mercury editor, wouldn't add it. Every time I tried to save, Mercury was unable to save.
Yeah, I'm getting it too. I have a feeling that we may have tripped a limit in our. Yeah, this was suggested earlier. I think maybe the reason that things are not working for us, we've got the MOOC is running at the moment, and we're using Agile Ventures as the sort of kind of the place that everybody's running their pairing through.
Oh, okay.
And I have a feeling we may have tripped a database limit.
Sure. Well, that might explain a lot. What I was trying to post was that students were trying to upload their videos, their project videos, to Agile Ventures.
Okay.
And, well, again, I'm not sure what the problem is, but apparently, unless they were a Hangout on air, it's not possible to do that. And
okay. Yeah. Now that is that's a separate question, but I mean, now that I think is just. I mean, basically, if you, I don't imagine that they were trying to upload their videos to Agile Ventures.
Yeah, they were.
It might have been. What part? I mean, there isn't really an upload functionality in Agile Ventures for video
I mean,
upload.
If you go to their projects,
so
see.
Like the bike share.
I go to projects and okay, let me just go here. Portal. Oh, it's so slow. I'm sorry.
Well, don't worry. I mean, I'll just say.
Okay. So you go to videos, and I don't know. They're trying to put something here, and the thing is, I'm having trouble. Like, for instance, I couldn't even join the project. Right?
Yes,
if I tried to join.
That I think is related to the database issue. I mean, I think it comes back to. I mean.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean the two are intertwined.
Yeah, I mean I think that the Hangout, but I just want to clear up here that in order to record a video, a Hangout has to be a Hangout on air. If it's not a Hangout on air, if it's just a regular Hangout, then you can't record. I mean, within the Hangout, I mean you can.
Okay, they thought they could go to this tab, and again, I can't even see the correct interface because I can't join the project.
No, fair enough. Yeah.
Yeah, and they want to upload the link to their video. We constantly have trouble with Hangouts on Air because of the whole Google issue.
Yeah, right.
So a lot of students are using Zoom, which is a free service and allows a lot more participation.
Right.
And basically they want to upload the link, and they're saying they can't. So I don't know. I mean, I can't even see the interface.
Yeah, well, I think that basically the issue here is that we've exceeded our database limits on Heroku. I mean, they can be, yeah. I guess what they're trying to do is they're just trying to edit the thing and put a link to the video in.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right.
And right. So yes. Yeah. So I think I'm basically, the big action item there is I'm going to need to upgrade our database to deal with that, and then get into, because basically what it is we've had like hundreds and hundreds of students running pair sessions through the MOOC, and it's all being stored in Agile Ventures, and I'd put money into running the dynos faster. But I think you'll script something there. Okay. Okay. Yes.
So I'll just tell them it's a known problem, and
I'll try and fix this and get back to you. Within the hopefully I can just flick a switch and we can fix it within the hour.
Right.
As soon as it's done.
Okay.
Problems.
Yeah, I told them it's just something.
Yeah.
It's not like I'm gonna take credit off because they don't have it up there yet.
Absolutely. Mercury. I think this is a database issue. Okay. Okay. Limits. All right. Yes. Well, no. Thank you for flagging that, and I'll just get on and try and fix that. If you guys want to stick around and see me flail around trying to fix it, you're more than welcome. I don't particularly have any, items for the end. Other just, the MOOC continues. It sucks up a lot of my time. I've got a big dashboard of tickets of just issues that I'm trying to address with it, and that continues. I'm discovering interesting things like the way that the new graders work. The configuration for them, which were kind of ended up not working as planned for the homework 0 deadline, which was yesterday evening. So we added a one-day extension to that. I'm starting to make some progress closing out all of these different issues. But you can track, anything that you think is a problem is there. I'm hoping that the TAs are filing those things there, and I'm working through them. So it's just kind of all hands to battle stations at the moment. I think I'm getting. Armando wants to kind of close out. We're still supporting the old materials for you, Rose. I know Armando is itching to delete. I've managed to get him to hold up to December, deleting the legacy repositories because he wants to. That's also costing money in some places.
Oh my goodness,
Public ones.
We won't need it after that.
No, but so hopefully we should be, by the new year, all upgraded. Yes, indeed. So is there anything else that we should review? I'm not sure if there are any other particular issues on the table.
We just wanted to check about the any new Homework 3 AutoGraders and what we would need to do to set those up if there are new ones for that.
Yeah. So your Homework 2 has already gone out, right, Timothy?
Correct. Yep.
Yeah. And so there's going to be a similar thing. Basically there is a test course that I can add you to that has. I'll look at where it is. That basically has the approximate format for all of these things. I've done walkthroughs of these upgrades and done them for Richard on a couple of occasions. If we just have a look in here for Fox test course here. Now, so this, let me, if I just have the course team, we've got if you want to be able to see this, Timothy, if you've got a Edge edX email, I can easily add you here so that you can view this.
Okay.
But basically what it is we've got here, so like Homework 3 here is the unit, and so basically there's going to be this thing like this,
okay,
and it should be pointed at production. It's basically what it is. What I have learned is that these due dates that we set, they correspond to 0. I don't know if we can also do times on there, but it's the equivalent to, like midnight. It's like the 0 hour on that day, right? So I got in trouble because I put in the date 3, but people were expecting till the end of the day, but this represents the very start of the day. And then the other thing here is this is a scaling rather than a deduction. So I thought, I had in here, I think I had It's weird. I think that's, I don't know, this is being interpreted counterintuitively. So I just, in the main MOOC, let's just look at what it is in the main MOOC now. I hope this is all, I mean, basically this is the new AutoGrader configuration, which is now in here, which is very convenient, but I'm just getting used to it. So if we look at the main system here, where are we going? Yeah, let's look at homework 0 there. So here, yeah, I've just changed this round. So this 02.5, it's sort of, yeah, I mean, I originally had it at 75 and it seemed to be doing the wrong thing. So I've put it to 0.25, even though this counterintuitively says, like, you sort of think, right, you're going to get 75% of the grade, you're going to get 50% of the grades, but this actually scales back. It, like, removes 75% of the grade. So it's just doing the, or at least that's what somebody reported, and so I switched it around to this, and I hope it's the right thing, and yeah, okay, so, yeah, but anyway, that's about the size of it. Did you have your, if you have, as I say, an Edge edX email, and also for you, Rose, I can easily add you so you have access to this course.
An Edge edX email?
Yeah.
I mean, other than...
Well, this is the thing, is we have Edge edX. I mean, that will be the one actually for your Spox. Basically, the email that you use associated with your Spox.
Oh, okay. I think that's just my regular BU ID. My regular BU email.
Interesting. For some reason here, oh, I don't have. Oh, I have to go and log into my other one in order to. Get
it would be Rose W at Binghamton.edu.
This was a bit confusing, like before.
Yeah.
They added me here. I got to open a different browser. They added me here with. There was a bit confusion at the beginning of the semester. Go on here, and I have to. If I sign in here with my other account, is that right? Yeah. Then I have to remember what the password is. Okay. Well, I would have been able to add you had I been able to remember the password for my other clone account, which I don't. Anyway, well, if you, I can potentially add you to these things. But what I will be doing is, well, I'll tell you what I will do. Specifically for, so annoying. Like you can see in here, like I've added myself as staff. Like I'm here. Oh, it's this email. Oh, it's a different email address. Maybe I can tell. Maybe it's this email. Okay, not bad. Not that. Ooh. Okay. I was thinking about it. Yes.
All right.
We have access now, and the first thing I'm going to do is make sure that my other account has become an admin in there. Yes. And now I will not have to log in that account again. But we can also hear it. So what was it? Rose at
Rose W at
Binghamton.edu.
Yeah. .edu. Yeah, that's it.
You are in there, and let me. We'll add Rilson at uncc.edu. I don't know if that's the one he uses. It is. So
yeah, I'm sure he'd like that.
Yeah. And Timothy, what's your? Are you like T Hayuk or something here?
Yeah, HAYDUK.
Like this.
Yep.
Okay. Yeah. So you should now see this tester course appear in your list of courses if you go to studio.edge.edx.org like this.
Okay. Yep, I see it.
Yeah, cool. So, yeah, I mean, I haven't tested Homework 3. I mean, this is what the Berkeley TA, Aaron, set up, and, yeah, so you get the general idea.
Okay.
Cool. All right. Now, so that's good. I'm going to basically spend some time now trying to see if I can upgrade the database stuff here. The plan, okay. But so, you're welcome to hang around and watch me do this. Otherwise, I guess we're kind of done for today.
All right, sounds good.
All right, thanks, Timothy.
Thank you.
Sounds great, Sam. Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome. Take care.
Yeah, you too.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, feel better soon.
I hope so.
Yeah. I just want a button that says take my money and give me a bigger database. Okay, I'm going to ask the guys on this on Slack about this. Okay, channel. Definitely thinking this is a DB issue as we can't save any more Mercury docs either. I'm seeing if I can pay for more DB space. Come against Heroku's business model. Right. Which do I have to search for a different database thing? I would have thought, what is that the database? Okay. That is, yeah, that's the database. So that is our database. Okay, our databases, your databases are loading. We've got lots of different. There we go. So website production, hobby dev. Okay. I think we have used. It says hobby dev, but so that's staging, that's production. So if I click on production there, so how do you would have thought, like, it's like, I just want to pay them money. And you would have thought they'd be like, give you the option to pay them money easily. You would have thought that was an important part of the business model. Jinjin. Hey, Sampratty. How you doing? You're muted.
Are they not expecting you to pay money if you're a hobby dev account?
I mean, we upgraded so that we're paying them, like, you know, yeah, to maintain the hobby dev, we're paying like $7 a month, which I'm covering out of my own costs. And hey, Sampratty, you all right there? No.
The hangout.
Hey there. Because your audio is kind of crickly crackly. We're kind of, I guess we've tripped a limit on the table. I'm just trying to work out how I can just through the. I would have thought it was relatively simple through the Heroku interface to say increase just the database. Maybe I have to do the complete. I don't know. Do I have to do like a a complete plan upgrade to get access to the hobby dynos.
I'm in a meeting.
Can you give me ideas, Pretty, on?
I think. Can you open up the Heroku Postgres add-on? Like.
Yeah, I mean that's where I'm here. That's this. So it's got a plan there. Go on.
I feel like what you might have to do is change the database. So like you have to create a new database with a higher, a paid database, and then migrate, and then copy the data from this one to the other one. I think that's how it works. I'm not sure if.
Okay.
I haven't done it before. So
okay. Yeah. Well, that's. I guess it just. I thought it was going to be like I could just press a button, but it looks like I have to do stuff like this. Okay. Yeah. So I guess. Okay. Well.
There's a page on Stack Overflow about this.
Oh yeah.
I've got it. I don't know if you can see it.
I imagine I may be able to bring it.
Hold on. I could. Let me post or let me paste.
Is this the one?
Yeah. Hold on. Where is my? Okay.
Yeah, I have the one. I have it. I have the one. Yeah, I mean, I think they're saying. Yeah, they're saying follow the instructions on the document that I have open. So.
Oh, you do have it. Okay, I wasn't sure if you found it.
Yeah, I think. Brain engage. I want to find. It's on the website 1. Here we go. Website 1. I want to, for the production system, the provision a standard database. Okay. If you are using one of these, you can use PG wait to notify you when the provisioning is complete. Okay. What does it say? The database should be available in 3 to 5 minutes. Use a PG wait. Okay. All right. Production. Okay. Well, I guess this is a situation. I really don't recommend using general here, but this is a situation, and we'll just say channel. Apologies for lack of functionality.
You could.
Go on.
You could just put up a maintenance page so that like, people don't get worked out by the issues.
Yeah, I don't know how quickly we can put that up and down. At least I will do this apologies anyway because they're already experiencing this. We have run out of database space and are working to fix that.
Yeah, you can just type in Heroku maintenance on like.
Oh really?
Yeah, and that will put up a maintenance page that it's on maintenance.
Okay, sounds good to me. So Heroku.
Maintenance.
Maintenance on -r production. Okay, and we should be in production mode. Let's go over here and have a look at what our Agile Ventures is saying. Yes. Okay. Boom.
And then you do Heroku maintenance off to just disable it.
Oh, excellent. That's good to know. I didn't know about that. Thank you, somebody. That's very helpful. Yes, I mean that's kind of like back, like 10 years ago. I was busy, like deploying little scripts to production to like turn things on and off and this and that. That's like. Okay. So I guess we're waiting for it. Let's have a look at what the next stage is going to be in anticipation. Right. Prevent. Okay. All right. Actually, then. So, aha. Did you just read ahead, somebody, or did you know this already?
No, I just said like just to prevent everything, just like
right.
stop.
But you knew about. I mean, you knew about this functionality before. You didn't just read ahead in the document to find that out.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, that's because you're super cool. No, I mean, it's funny that it's the next thing. Yes, I mean it's yeah. There we go. Okay. Okay. So it says also we should do this. We should scale down the workers so that there are no. Okay. Right. Oh, and it says it's available. Okay. So we'll do this anyway. Minus
Yeah,
R.
this won't be necessary because we don't really have any worker dynos.
Well, you know, let's.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah.
Okay. So then it says to copy data from your current database to the newly provisioned database, use the PG copy command with the Heroku Postgre color name of your new database. In this example, the database URL is the source of the data in the transfer, and Heroku Postgre Pink is the target database. So, so we've got. Can we just do it? Is it as simple as?
Yeah, pretty much.
But then this needs to be blue. And then we say minus R production.
I guess so.
I'm wondering if that needs to be... Okay, warning, destructive action. This command will remove all data from blue. Data from red will then be transferred to blue. I think that's what we want. We currently have red. We are going blue, apparently.
Yeah.
This command will affect the web. To proceed, type website 1 production. I hope this is the right way around. I'm glad you're both here with me, as I maybe potentially wipe all of our data away. Yeah, it seems to be like it's told us that blue is the new one, hasn't it? That's what it told us.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we're removing all data from blue, which we don't have any. So okay, all right.
We have daily PG backups. So
we do have backups. Yes. Oh yes, that's right. Oh yes, of course we do. So
it's always a relief.
Yes. For the alternative, as an alternative, you can migrate data between databases. Yeah, okay. All right, I've done that.
We don't care, but
no. So promote new database. Ah. Okay. Make application active. So we don't have any workers at all.
No.
No. Right. With a follower changeover.
Yeah, this isn't for us. I think this is for like multiple.
Yeah, I'm just trying to find out. Like how much it'll cost.
I think it's $50 per month. I think.
Really? Okay. For the standard.
Yeah, I think the one you upgraded to right now. I think I read it somewhere in this article.
Yeah. Well, it says it's done. Okay, it says it's completed. So we've done that. Okay, and now promote the new database. Okay. Is that the right next thing? Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, promote the new database. So that's this, and the database is blue. Okay. Oh no, that's the wrong thing. Oops. We'll have a minus R production on that. And then we don't need to scale the workers back up because we don't have any workers.
No.
But we need to turn the maintenance off. Oops. Production. Okay. Interesting. Oh. Let's go back here and have a look at the site. Okay, so the site is back up. Right. What we could do is we could go back to here. I was here trying to save this, and I couldn't because I assumed we'd run it. Let's try and save this now. Aha! Aha! I think we might have fixed things. So, actually, Rose, if you're there,
yeah.
In principle, you should now be able to join, like this. You want to try and join the Binghamton University Bike Share application project?
Yeah. Well, actually, I think I'm already listed there. I'm going to join one of the other ones.
Okay.
Let's see.
Okay.
Where is my... I've got all these windows open. I've got to find it.
Oh, don't worry. Yeah. No, take time. I'm going to try and see if this is the thing I was trying to do before, which is editing this, which I can now do. Yeah. Okay. Anyway, and I think it seems like we'll move the time. That was the other thing, is the time thing. We'll move that back to 3:15, which I think apparently. I mean that. Let me just check. Rose. I mean the time. It's now like an hour and 20 minutes ago. That 3:15 p.m. UTC. I think it's 10:15 where you are. AM.
Yes.
That's a reasonable time for you on a Tuesday.
Yeah, pretty much.
Yeah. Cool.
Yeah, Yeah. This semester things are tough because I don't get out of work until around 10 o'clock.
Really?
And I don't get home till around 11. And they have me working rather late. So it is what it is.
Yeah.
Now where is this? Come on.
Okay. Yeah. Don't worry about that. I mean, yeah. All the things that I, was having trouble with and now fixed. So hopefully your thing will be resolved. I mean, we've got an interesting question here, Sampritty, about. I mean, I think it's maybe not. Obviously, the MOOC has created a large number of events, but we've also been continuing to use and create. I keep on creating new documents and this and that and the other, and there's rows in the database and so on. I mean, the thing for me at the moment is what I don't feel I have a good sense of is whether this. We've moved to using Azure Ventures as the thing for hosting the pair programming events. I really don't know whether that's led to any more successful pair programming on behalf of the MOOC students compared to before. I just, I can see that lots of events are being created. I can see that there's some videos and so on. I mean, I guess I certainly have better visibility than I think I did in the Google G+ community that we were using, and I know that people are implicitly, people can start each other's events, but I don't really have any strong sense of whether. How we move forward to improve this. I don't know if you have any ideas, Sampritty.
Yeah, one more thing is I mean, even though a lot of pair programming sessions are being posted, I feel like most of these are just a one person coding away in the background.
Yeah.
And usually people don't join. So I think maybe the Gitter integration could help. If
that's right. I mean, I think that the difference that I sense with G+ is that with the G+ community, the person who created the event had their profile kind of in there, and then other people could say, "Oh yeah, I'm planning to attend. I'm planning," and you could kind of see, even though if 10 people said they were planning to attend, you'd only get 3 or 4 of them, but you could kind of tell which were the popular events and which were the ones that were not so popular, and we can't really see that. Yeah, I think Gitter integration might help. I mean, we're sort of flying blind to an extent. Anyway, yeah, it looks like that new database is going to cost us £50 a month until we review, what the.
By the way, I just found on the Heroku Postgres page, under the hobby plans, they have this $9 per month database, which is 10 million rows. I don't know if that will be enough or not, but
okay.
I guess.
Yeah, I mean.
So 10 million rows should be more than enough. What do you think?
Yeah. Well, absolutely. I mean, it seemed to me from this description, this was, the options were standard, premium, or enterprise. So I'm not sure how we, how do we get to the, I mean, we could do that, but so is there a hobby dev 1 or something?
Yeah, I'm trying to find it out.
Yeah.
Because $50 one is unlimited rows, but you have a 64 GB storage.
Okay.
So.
Okay. Well, maybe I tell you what. I mean, I probably need to get on with some other things.
Sure.
If you let's have a ticket of that for website 1, and yeah, if you can, I mean, I'll open that. If we can work out what, a different plan that saves us a bit of money and so on, that would be good. So we've got here. I guess it's kind of a chore really. Find, reduce the amount of data.
Yeah, so the name is basically Hobby Basic, and right there it was, I think, standard 0 or something.
Okay, so have you got a link to that somewhere?
Yeah, so if I open this thing up, check the group chat.
Do you guys mind if, while you're doing that, I ask Sampritty a couple of questions?
Go ahead. I mean, well, that's
yeah, sure.
obviously up to Sampritty.
Do you know if my student Kasham has been trying to contact you?
What's his name?
Have you been in contact with Kasham Chima?
No, not that I know of.
Okay, because I don't know. He was supposed to contact you, and I'm not sure that. I don't know what's going on. Okay, I don't know whether he's tried or he really doesn't understand how, or But I just wanted to know if you were aware. So that answers my question.
I haven't really received any messages or emails, so I guess no.
Okay, because he's trying to set up website 1 and having problems, and he said he was going to contact you because he was told that you were a good contact point, but I don't know what he's done or not done.
Yeah, well, we've had this. Is this Rose? This is Kasham?
Yeah.
Yeah. So you can see him talking with Sampriti and the rest of us here.
Oh, sorry, I didn't really remember this. Yeah, I think he had a problem with using the installation script. And,
okay.
Yeah, he did. I mean, basically, he kept on trying to talk to me individually, and I kind of arm wrestled him into the group chat.
Right, right.
Where
I know this is a difficulty.
Yeah, where so we had a bit more chat there, and so like here, it's got like we've got Simon Lau offering him help about how to basically he's trying to use an outdated script that he shouldn't be using.
Right.
I mean, we should like clean up website 1 and so that it's clearer to go through the install process. But basically, he doesn't need to reach out to Sampriti individually or people individually. I mean, Simon Lau is here saying send me a direct message. Maybe you can talk to Simon Lau. But I mean, really, he should just continue explaining any difficulties that he has in the group channel, and we'll keep on helping him.
Sure.
Yeah.
I'm having difficulty with the student. He, for some reason, he kind of stays by himself and doesn't interact with the other students. And he wouldn't join in any of the the local team projects. He insisted on joining this, and then I'm having trouble getting him to stay in contact with the website 1 team.
Sure.
I don't know what the deal is. I am mystified. He'll show up late for class.
Yeah.
And then disappear in the middle of class.
Right.
And so it's very hard for me to grab him and say what's going on.
We have people, similar. We have similar issues with students. I think it's Anyway, basically, the last time we've heard from him in the group chat is October the 21st. So it's been a couple of weeks since we've heard from him, and I suspect it sounds like he hasn't DM'd Sampriti individually. He may have been in contact with other people.
Well, I mean, if other people have offered to help, then he should be in contact with them.
Yeah. I mean, I would strongly recommend all of them to just keep on talking in the group channel rather than in private channels, because we can't, we can't. It's the lifeblood of the only reason we have all of this technology to play with is because people did things in public rather than doing them in private. It's anyway, yeah. So I really better wrap up there. Yeah, no, thanks for that, Simpriti. That looks like that would be a good. I may do that. I won't do it right now because obviously the site has whatever, but probably by Friday, hopefully before I get charged, I'll try that other plan. Yeah, cool. All right. Bye for now, guys. I'll catch you later.
Thanks for everything.
No,
Bye.
Bye-bye.